Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about this 52 Chinese app. A message going viral in the social media claims that the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology prohibited some Chinese app from being made available on the App Store. Press information of Bureau was clarified that this message was totally fake. Even many YouTubers like Technical Guruji has made a video on this topic without proper information. On Thursday, the Traders Body Confederation of All India Traders appealed to Bollywood celebrities to stop endorsing this Chinese brand, Oppo, Vivo, Redmi. According to Indian intelligence agencies, these 52 Chinese apps are linked to China, which are not safe, ending up extracting large amount of data from India. Even if this message is fake, I would recommend you, sometimes we need to take strong decision in difficult time. There was a rumor that the COVID-19 causing virus was spread from Chinese lab. They spreaded the virus and wanted to gain power through biological weapon, and this was a rumor. We all know how China works, dominating the whole electronic market. So let me explain you with a few examples how China is dominating all over the world. We are using Google as a search engine, they are using Baidu. We use Chrome, they use UC browser. Where 1.75 million people around the world are using WhatsApp, they didn't even allow WhatsApp in their country. They use WeChat. And the best part is that they don't even allow Amazon delivery in their country. They favor Alibaba. You might have heard that. Most people, we are using Gmail, but still they are using BoilQ. Even if when Facebook was launched, they thought to make business in the most populated country. They didn't even allow Facebook to enter into the country. They favor Renren. We use Twitter, they use Weibo. What are you using to see YouTube videos? YouTube. They are using their version of YouTube, YouQ. We all are shouting to ban Chinese product, but the reality is that China export 100 million product in India, and where India export only 5 million. There is 95% gap. China does not allow anyone to enter in their country to make business, but they are spread all over the country. Oppo, Vivo, Redmi, which are spread every house of our country, but still we want ban in their product. We can't, because people, corporate and government are always united. And if you see in the last few years, China has lifted up 100 million people out of poverty. Now it is not only the responsibility of our Indian soldier to set their life in the border. It is our responsibility to make a developed India, and which is very much required. They are not only taking out our money. Every day they are seizing our land, killing our soldier. And now it is not only our country's responsibility to push our people up, but it's our responsibility also to make our country develop. On the radar of intelligence agencies, this 52 app was told to be installed. Here we go with the list: TikTok, WeChat, Share.it, UC browser, Beauty Plus, Zender, Club Factory, Hello, Likey, Parallab, MI Store, 360 Security, and other you can see in the chart. I told you, sometimes we have to take strong decision in the right time, and the time has come. Just pick up your mobile and uninstall this virus application in order to save yourself, your data, and our country. So if you have liked my video, please press the like button and subscribe it so that I can bring you more updates for you.